Tooth Lady, and one of the most asked questions I get on my YouTube channel is how do you clean the Snap-on Smile? So I'm actually doing a video on it today. You have two products. One is a cleaning solution and one is an antibacterial gel. The antibacterial gel you use after you eat or before you put the appliance back in. You just use it very sparingly. So this is the antibacterial gel, but what we're going to show you today is actually how to clean it. Okay, this is my lead assistant, Ayana. She's in the video today, and she is going to go through step by step on how to clean the Snap-on Smile appliance.
This is the Snap-on Smile powder. You need a half a cupful of the Snap-on Smile powder to a half a cup or bowl of cool water. Doesn't have to be tap water or distilled, just regular water. Not hot, just regular cool water. Okay? So you're going to want to take, you can use the cap, half a cupful of the powder. Come take a look. Half a cupful of powder. You're going to place it into your water and it's going to fizzle. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Then you're going to take your Snap-on Smile, you take it and you drop it in. And you wait for about 15 seconds and then it's done. So wait about 15 minutes. What you want to do once you wait the 15 minutes is you want to rinse it off. Brush it with the toothbrush, an extra toothbrush to make sure there's no extra particles on it. And then dry it and put it back in its case.
You want to make sure you don't brush with an abrasive solution such as toothpaste. It's just a mild, non-abrasive toothbrush, and the cleaning solution should do it. Now let's talk about what you can and cannot eat with the Snap-on Smile. So what do you want to do?
To avoid any staining, we suggest don't use curry stains. Doesn't stain right away, but I've seen curry stain. Red wine can stain slightly, and it'll do it over time. It won't happen right away, but over time.
Maybe you can drink it out of a straw.
Drink it out of a straw. Definitely.
Coffee, you drink it out of a straw. Or actually, you can maybe take your Snap-on off when you're drinking it if you're at home.
Right.
And blueberries. I love blueberries. If you want to eat blueberries, take the Snap-on out and eat your blueberries, because anything that's going to stain your teeth is going to stain your Snap-on Smile, right? So it's very easy to take care of, and yes, it's functional. How long does it last, Ayana?
3 to 5 years, depending on your wear. So if you're at home, don't wear it. If you're out and about, wear it. It's almost like when you're at home, you don't wear your shoes.
Or a necklace, or a wig.
Or a bra.
Or a bra. Or fake eyelashes. No,
Yeah.
fake eyelashes you wear all the time. All right, so hopefully that addresses how to take care of the Snap-on Smile. It's so easy, and it will change your life in a snap. So I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Ayana, my lead dental assistant, signing off. Thank you for watching.